As a global company, we hear people say VIAVI in a lot of creative ways.
VIAVI, VIAVI,
VIAVI.
VIAVI?
It could be because our name is comprised of a lot of vowels. Or, if you were to turn it upside down, it's sometimes hard to figure out the right way up.
Lavia?
Lavia,
Lavia? Lavia.
We used to be JDSU, but today VIAVI is recognized around the world as a leader in telecommunications and optical solutions with millions of installs. We may have a funny name, but our award-winning test solutions are no joke. They're everywhere, helping our customers enable the next generation networks that connect the world. But wait, there's more. We're also a leader in optical technologies. At VIAVI, no matter how you say our name, we hope you remember us as the company that you rely on for your telecommunications and optical technology needs.
VIAVI,
VIAVI.
VIAVI.
Find out more at Vicom's website.